Good afternoon, everybody. Jason with MarineMax Clearwater. Real quick, I wanted to show you a trade we just brought in. This boat's incredible. Probably one of the prettier pontoon boats I've ever seen. It's a big tri-tune hull. This is the the Crowne 250 from Harris Float Boat. Tri-tune, polished stain. We haven't even detailed this boat yet. I just went through it, unwrapped the bimini, so I apologize. But I tell you guys, you want to jump on this thing quick. It's been on Lake Carroll its entire time. It's only got about 60 hours. I mean, look how pretty that boat is. 300 Pro Verado on the back. 3 entry points to the boat. You can see the interior there. LEDs everywhere on this one, guys. Looks like a UFO at nighttime. Come on, come see the team at MarineMax Clearwater. We'd love to show you this boat here. You can see the nice accents there with the docking lights. And this blue is incredible. And I'm telling you guys, we have not even detailed this boat yet. We just got it in here. Can cover almost all 25 feet with the 2 double biminis. Everything works fantastic. We'll get a service on it. We'll get a good detail on it, and she'll be ready to go. So it is a saltwater packaged boat, so you can run it out here in the Gulf or in the Bay. The previous owner just happened to only use it out here and on the lake. So hope you guys like what you see. Again, we wanted to bring it to you quickly. Harris Float Boat, 250 Crowne, big 300 Verado, speakers everywhere, LED lights everywhere. Jason with MarineMax, we'd love to get you into the boat. Shoot us a call. This thing's not going to last long, guys. It'll be on the internet shortly. Have a great day. Hope to see you on the water.